This is Lesson 2, Google Sheets, My Budget. This icon here will allow you to look at the video, which you're probably already listening to. And in this case, what we're going to do is create a budget. Here are some of the directions that we are going to have you perform, but we're going to show you down here at the bottom exactly what your final output would look like. Here we have my budget, some categories, and some amounts, and the total amount is $185. Now we're going to have you increase the size of the font, put some lines in, change the color, and put that sum in. So that should help you out quite a bit. Okay, let's see how we can do this now. Okay, you'll notice that what we have here is my budget, and we increased the size of that to 24. We typed in cell A3 categories, and in cell B3 amount. Then we put all the different categories down. Now what we did is we went over here and placed a dollar sign here and simply highlighted and did a fill down. So when we typed in the amounts, the dollar sign would automatically appear. Now in cell A11 we wrote the word total, and in cell B11 we need for you to place an equal sign and the word sum, S-U-M. And when you do that, you'll notice it automatically adds up all of the numbers in reference. B4 to B10, just simply hit your enter key twice, and the total amount should be $185. Now, what I'd like to have you do here is highlight all your cells and go over here to the border or borders, and let's make them darker. Okay? Then while it's highlighted, we want to highlight this again, we want to make these 14, and we want them bold. Oop, highlight it and make it bold. Okay, now down here where the 185 is, we're going to click inside that cell, and we go to the pale again, which is right here, and we're going to change that to yellow. Okay. So I think that's about it. That's all we asked you to do. And don't forget, remember, you have to have lesson 2 budget in your name. Now you should have a folder created for Excel. All you got to do is click up here, move to your Excel, and you have it. Now if you have a printer that's hooked up, that's fine, print it out. If you don't, just show it to your teacher, and that person will give you a grade for doing this lesson. Okay. Well, thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.